Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our fanless industrial panel PC that has resistive touch, high resolution, and Intel 7th Gen i3, i5, i7 CPU options. It's the PC2300B. Let's take a look. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the PC2300Bs, and the one I'm going to be unboxing is the PC2319B, which is the 19-inch model. So when you first open the box, you will see the warranty. Remove that, and then underneath that is an accessories box. And when you open the box, you will see a Ziploc bag. There will be some mounting brackets and screws, and the amount depends on the size of your screen. Then also there is the PC's rubber gasket inside the Ziploc bag. Underneath the accessory box, there is the PC2319B. And you can see that there is a piece of cardboard that is sitting on top of the PC. Also, the PC is encased in foam and wrapped in anti-static plastic. What I'm going to do now is remove the PC from the box. Next, I'm going to remove the foam and also the cardboard, as well as remove the PC from the anti-static plastic. There are three sizes for the PC2300B, a 19-inch, 17-inch, and a 15-inch, and they all have various memory and storage options available. They have high-resolution resistive touchscreens, they have a black steel chassis and aluminum heatsink. They are all IP65 compliant for the front panel, and there's options for an Intel 7th Gen i3, i5, or i7 CPU. They are VESA or panel mount. And there's also an optional Wi-Fi kit, which comes with a Wi-Fi card and antenna. On the back of the PC, there are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. On the bottom of the PC, there is some I/O. So starting over on the left, there is a detachable DC power connector for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. Above that is a power switch. Then next to that, there are two LED lights. The one on the top is a green LED light for your power indicator. And then below that is a red LED light for your CPU status. Then next to that is a remote power switch connector. Right here on the bottom, there is a digital I/O port, 8 digital in and then 8 digital out. Then there's a DVI output port. Then there are 4 DE9 serial COM ports. COM1 and COM2 are RS232, RS422, and RS485. Then COM3 and COM4 is just RS232. Then there are 2 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and there are 4 USB 3.0 host ports. Then there are 3 audio ports. They are 3.5 millimeter mic in, line out, and then line in. So on the back, there will be a part number sticker, barcode, and serial number. When you buy your PC, you will have this sticker and the build number. You will need the part number and build number when reordering your panel PC. Also, you will have the option of purchasing an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. And you also can purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. Okay, now I'm going to power on the PC. So I have a power supply going into the PC. So now I'm going to turn on the power supply, and the PC will boot up. And there's a user welcome screen, and there it is. Now you might be wondering, what are my next steps? Well, that's going to be picking out a SCADA or third-party programming software like Aviva Edge, and you can see more information about this on the Maple Systems website, or others like Factory Talk or Ignition, which our PCs also support. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.